Hi everyone, are you tired of spending hours creating professional slides for your presentations? Do you wish there was a software that could do it for you at a click of a button? Well, look no further. I have the solution you have been waiting for. With just a click of a button, you can achieve stunning professional slides in no time. So don't waste any more time struggling with slides creation. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the Tome app used to develop online slides. It's far more convenient when compared side by side with Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's just get right into it. Just quickly go to Google and type Tome.app. Once you do that, hit the enter key. It's going to launch you to an interface that looks just exactly like this. So what you want to do is to sign in. It is free. Just sign in freely. Once you click on sign in, it's just very easy to use. You can sign in with your Google account. I've already done that, but I'm going to just do another one just for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to just click on sign in. I'm going to use any of my email. I'm going to use this particular one. Now I'm signed in, correct? But if it's your first time, you're going to ask you to key in your name and what have you, just basic information that we need. So once you're launching, you're going to have something like this. Yeah, mine is showing me the recent slide that I've created. I think yours should launch you to something that looks just like this. Quickly, what you want to do is to hit on create. Now think about what you want to present. I'm just going to randomly say something. One thing about Tome is that it uses AI to generate slides for us. So I'm going to say create a presentation on branding, and I will hit enter. Now it's going to start generating slides for me, even giving me some keywords, giving me some headings, and even give me some information about each heading, and also putting like some kind of slide pictures for me in case I may want to choose some kind of picture during the presentation. Yeah, so that's what it's doing right now. So it's running everything. Now it's done. So let's see what it did. It gave me even a topic: branding, crafting your identity. Then it gave me some series of outline to work with, and it also provided some kind of pictures here, and it have the subheading defining branding, and gave me some words regarding that for my presentation. And you could see it automatically did a whole lot for me, right? And I can add pages. If I'm not comfortable with all this, I can decide to tell it to add a page. Let me say add a page that talks about logo. I'll hit enter, and it's going to generate that page for me. All right, so it just did that for me. Yeah, and it even told me what logo is, and yeah, that's it. And I can edit. I have the liberty of editing, and I can decide to give this another definition that suits me. It even gave me like something that looks somewhat like a logo actually, and if I want, I can add mine. I can quickly go to add and select a picture from my laptop if I want to, and it will just give me something. I can also add a text, Twitter link. I can add maybe another image. Let me say I can even tell this to have, let me use AI. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to tell it to generate a logo with orange shape. Now hit enter. Without wasting much time, it's generating something. You can see it has something. I can just use any one of these and have it there for me. Yeah, that's cool. And what else I can do is, if I'm not comfortable with this background, maybe I don't like the black background, I can decide to use the color palette here. Once I click on that, I can change the theme of this. I can change to creamer, I can change to canary, I can change to whatever I want. All right. Hey, are you finding this course useful? Don't forget to subscribe and like, share this video with your friends. Continue watching. Now the next thing that I also want to show you is the recording, right? With Tome, you can record your presentation. Once you click on this, you would see it will give you options here. I'm going to select my camera because I'm already here. Once I select my camera, I can start recording. You can see now it's recording. I can start presenting my slide. All right, and I start talking. When I'm done presenting, I can stop recording. Once I hit stop recording, it has saved my work, right? I can decide to even comment on pages. I hit enter, comment on a particular page or something, and somebody else can come here to see my comment. And I can also share the page with somebody else. I can share the QR page, and I can also copy the link and share with my teammates. All right, so this particular platform is very, very good for people in high institution, for people that are in business, or maybe you present pitches and the rest. You're going to find this particular platform very, 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 very handy. All right, and even people that do some creative work like Figma, you can find this work very handy. For instance, if I click on the add button, I can click on Figma and even add some of my works. I have this work, I'm gonna share it. I will copy the link and I'll paste it here, hit enter, and you can see automatically I have access to what I have in my Figma environment here for my team to see. And I can increase the size, I can even zoom in to see everything, and I can zoom out if I'm done presenting. So this is really a cool way to really present your stuff. Let me try to create something that is not branding related. I will tell this to create a presentation on the history of Nigeria, and I will hit enter. It will start generating something for me about the history of Nigeria, giving me a title, giving me a template to work with. How cool is this? This is very interesting. This is pretty much interesting. Yeah, so you can see it giving me several stuff. Wow, even talking about the independence and the civil war that happened between Nigeria and the Biafra. Wow, this is cool. In modern time. Wow. And mind you, this image being generated here, not like the real image, it's AI related, so you might not find this artwork anywhere. If you are done, you can add any extra page. You can decide to change the color if you want to. Right, you can decide to even change the heading and change the color of the heading. You can see what's going on there with the modern times, and change the heading. You can just play around this thing to see what it's gonna give you. So I hope you've been able to learn how to use Tome to generate presentation slides for yourself. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also subscribe so that you get notified each time I publish new content on this channel. Bye.